Hi, this is Tim Santoni, and today Ben Gomez joins me. We're coming to you from Santoni headquarters here. We're talking a little bit about those questions and stumbling blocks a lot of our employers ask us in the sales process after they come on board. And we're going to break down these questions and hopefully shed some light on these topics to help you in your onboarding process, your screening process, and managing compliance and risk in your organization. So Ben's going to pepper me with questions, and so let's get started.
How could a background check possibly be cost effective to my company?
So the question is how could a background check be cost effective to the company? If you think about it, the average cost of a background check is somewhere in the range of $35 to $75 depending on what you're running, excluding maybe verifications and substance abuse. But you figure the cost of a bad hire from a training and time perspective could cost, they estimate, possibly 1 times yearly salary or close to. So that's one aspect of it. It's cutting down on making sure you're hiring the right people. And 2, the insurance risks associated with bringing in bad people from a cost perspective. It could be theft, it could be violence, there could be some non-tangible costs, but that's how it could be valuable. It's really low-cost business insurance. So thank you so much for tuning into the show. If you have any questions or stumbling blocks with your employment background screening or onboarding process, please feel free to reach out to us. Leave some information in the comments below, and we look forward to connecting with you. Thanks.
We should have a blooper.
We do.
Just going at it, trial run. I've been in front of a camera like
It's
this.
red. It's blinking
Yeah.
red, right?
Actually, I think you're a little off center.
Hi, this is Tim Santoni, and today Benjamina.
Benjamina. That's gonna stick.